Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I'm your host Martin. In this episode, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin trying to hold. Now, if you're catching the stream live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I heard the one thing we were thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on Discord. Links are going out right about now. There we go. Pin this here at the top of the chat. Right? And yo, like bell sub. What's up, guys? How's it going? Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me for an awesome So Crypto stream. Now, if you enjoy being part of the community, type 1 in the chat. I want to know if you enjoy being here. There's 6 people watching. I hope you all like it. And let's get rolling to something that might be moving, right? Let's go to market cap. Nice. All right, who's in the house? Who's in the Andrew says, yo. Carligo says, hi, good evening. And Performer says, let's go. Eiswell says, quick before my girl gets back. And then Kato says, legendary. And Jake says, rockets. Awesome. So, what do we have? We're still above 2 trillion, which is pretty good. Again, recovering that area. Fairly good. Again, we're still having this strong bullish divergence still present, right? I mean, it's going to be present for a while. Now, remember, we anchor from the highest point. Right now, I'm just anchoring from here just to get an idea. But, you know, in theory, even if we were to negate it here, we always have to anchor from the highest point, which is way back here. I might just leave it there for now. But, you know, it is the same thing. This line, which is basically becoming all the way back here, right? So, again, bullish divergence strong. We don't have it here in the short term. Even now, we're starting to go slightly lower, I think. Yep. Then I have to move this line. And, slightly higher, yes. 33.11, 33.13, man. It's barely there. We just say it's sideways, right? We can say it's weak divergence against the RSI and strong bullish against the MACD, right? So with that potential fraction to the upside, we're looking for recovery. We're at a key area, 2 trillion, Bitcoin below $1 trillion, sitting at 809 billion in total market cap for all. It's at 1.22 trillion. Not bad. Let's get rolling. Let's look at Bitcoin. Jackson Juan. He's the only one that got it. All right, so we have here bullish divergence strong with that possibility for a rally, right? We're still looking for that. We managed to try to recover a little bit yesterday, which was fine. Didn't recover a lot though, right? But we're still struggling. Not looking too hot yet. Bought at 31.43 again. Barely having divergence here as well, right? Look. And really trying to hold on to this, right? Bitcoin fighting tooth and nail. Let's go here to this chart. Look at this, right? Bullish divergence strong, same stuff, but we are breaking below that 40,196, right? Which is an area that we were trying to stay above yesterday. We did manage to close above it. But right now we're losing it, right? Look at that. I don't like that. That shows weakness. We have to close above. We have to close above this area here for us to be able to recover. Otherwise, we're looking for a drop, and that drop gets us to the 40,997. So Bitcoin could be still looking for action to the downside still, right? So Bitcoin in pain, struggling, right? So let's go here to this here chart. Let's look at the other patterns that we've been watching. Potential 3 rising valley. It's barely almost there, man. About to negate it. I mean, I'm not so confident that we could say this is a 3 rising valley anymore. All right, but we're gonna leave it there for now. Head and shoulders still there. Again, everyone's seen it. Everyone's talking about it. And again, it just depends on how we anchor it. I'm anchoring to the bodies. If we want to anchor these to the wicks, right, we're still looking for another move here, right? And that wick would actually be this wick here and that wick there, and we're still slightly above that neckline, right? So again, I'm going with the bodies that would show us that we're breaking. Part of the reason I'm going with the bodies, it makes sense. We're showing rejection of this line twice, right? Also rejection of this fib retracement here, the 382 at 47,274. So Bitcoin pain, right? Again, measure move of the head gets us to come all the way down here to 23,200, right? Hopefully that's not going to be the case. Otherwise, I mean, a lot of people are probably going to be getting into Bitcoin. I think as if Bitcoin starts to drop from here, a lot of people are going to try to jump back in at this areas and then try to get it to go higher again, right? A lot of companies got into Bitcoin at higher areas of value. I don't think they're going to be losing money on this. So Bitcoin still might try to fight to hold that $40,000 mark. Let's go here, zoom in again. Let's see what's happening. Again, the same pattern, right? That same pattern that, sorry, I'm going to go to this chart. I want to draw it again. We'll go back to this one, I guess. Same pattern that we've been talking about and watching over, right? So again, drop, quick pop, drop, and pop, right? Drop, quick pop, drop, and pop, right? So drop, quick pop, drop. You know, we're going to look for that pop, right? That's what I'm wondering, if we're going to go for this pop here, man. All right, So not looking too hot, not looking too bad either. I mean, if we do manage to materialize this and rally from here, it's going to be good. So let's go and check out, let's go here back to the Bitcoin and see what's happening on the 4-hour chart, right? And see what's up with it. And again, we're trying to hold on some kind of hidden divergence back here. Again, we got a rallies, hit the 20, rejected, hit the 20, rejected, and finally drop. So on these moves, we're not creating anything bullish. We still have nothing bullish, right? We're starting to create something bullish. I guess just moving down a bit. So in this move, coming slightly down, still has 41 minutes to be able to, for us to be able to claim it, right? Right now it's there. We might lose it, particularly if we pull back up. We're looking at this strong bullish divergence here. It's tiny, but it's there, right? And it's just here from the 4-hour chart. So Bitcoin, potential for a rally, right? We're sitting sold at 30.54. Again, with that, potential for us to come back to a neutral zone. That means we should be looking for a pop, maybe to a 20 moving average at 44,990, right? Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin, we had the bullish divergence, try to hold. We dropped a little bit more. We still held to this divergence, right? It's fine. It's trying to get us to rally, but we're weak. We try to get above the 20. We're failing. Tightness of the Bollinger Band's coming in. Not looking the hottest. Remember what I said? It would be nice if the 4 hour does one of these moves here where we try to recover a bit and then drop and then create that divergence, right? So the 1 hour created its bullish divergence. Here we're starting to get that pop and we're starting to drop and starting to go for that bullish that I was talking about yesterday, remember? Starting to come in. So I'm hoping that this bullish divergence gets us to pop. Also in the 1 hour, if we drop slightly more, we're definitely going to keep this divergence in the 4 hour, right? We still have to drop a lot more for us to start making more negative momentum and also go lower on the RSI. So we can take a slightly bit more of a drop here on Bitcoin and still create divergence from here to here, right? Because now we're going to be going from negative momentum to less negative momentum, right? So go ahead and create strong bullish divergence on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour, and then with that, look for a potential rally. So we'll see how Bitcoin handles this. Again, that's going to be it. Let's go back to the resistances real quick and see where we're at. Again, struggling to stay above that 40,196, breaking there, 40,197, getting above that area. Looking for 43,123 as area resistance, man. Last time we popped above that area a couple hours ago, we failed to go that high. So tightness of the Bollinger Band's coming in. Gotta wait for that pop, right? Ethereum, let's go check it. 3,355. Let's go on the daily. Ethereum is just taking a beating, dude. Left and right. Yesterday dropped 3%, right now going down another 1%. It's dropped over 10% in the last 3 days, man. Almost 12% drop. I'm really hoping we get relief here. Ethereum was doing so good. It just failed to get above this freaking blue line, right? So again, we're looking for bullish divergence. We no longer have it, right? At least not in the short-term move, which is fine. And like I said, if we drop lower, this one's the one that's going to come into play. So that just strikes to there. And then this one, right, coming from high point, right? So high point, negative momentum to less negative momentum. But that we're still having this bullish divergence, and we're looking for potential rally. Hello, Blockbound. What's up, dude? Thanks for being here on Twitch. So again, looking for that potential rally. Not looking bad. Sold at 31.87. Again, bullish divergence is there at least. So we should be looking for a potential rally. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Again, we're dropping a bit, right? Are we still holding on to this divergence? Man, we might, and we are. Look at that, strong bullish still in play. Potential for rally. We don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. We did go for a small pop, but we're failing, and we're about the same level right now. Maybe even dropping a little bit more. I think we're about the same level, and with that, if we manage to close right at that same level, right? So we're going sideways here in the price. What's going to happen is we're going to start creating this divergence here, right? This medium bullish divergence. And we'd have the possibility for a rally. So not bad, right? Not bad. And a lot of bullishness starting to develop. We just need to make it pop, right? I'm making a video or streaming on YouTube too. I'm streaming on YouTube also. Well, man, thanks for asking. So we are looking for that potential rally to come in. And with that, we're looking for 3,539. And kind of sad that we lost it. Ethereum was doing so good. But again, looking for that recovery, we're oversold with strong bullish divergence. That's just really a catalyst for action to the upside, right? Being oversold with strong bullish divergence. We just need to close the 1 hour here. Look, now we're dropping a little bit more. Now it's become strong bullish, not just medium, strong bullish divergence. So we got the possibility for a rally. So not looking bad. Oversold at 28.38. Again, potential for a nice rally to come in. 1 hour chart. We're looking for the bullishness here. Look at that. We dropped more. Look, we're still coming in to here. Strong bullish. Look for that rally. Failed at the 20. Coming back down to 3,324. Now, if we drop slightly lower, same thing with Bitcoin, right? We're going to be coming up to negative momentum, right? lower here, less negative momentum, and also higher here on the other side. And with that, we should be looking for a potential bounce to come in. So, Bloodbound on Twitch says, what is your opinion on the hidden bullish divergence on the monthly and Bitcoin disrespecting it? I am an RSI user, so all right, cool. We can check that out in a second. Anyways, Ethereum now breaking below that area, right? And again, might be going for that bullish divergence. Watch out for it, right? Again, we're going to get a lot of bullish divergence developing. Hopefully it'll trigger tomorrow. We could be getting some action to the upside and at least some relief happening from this downwards motion we've been getting on the market. We had a pre-stream request come in, and that was for ADA and DOT. So one of them was LQ to ADA, so it was in a weird exchange. Andrew, man, you coming out with the weirdest things ever, man. So let's go there. ADA muesli swap, whatever this is, dude. It's like food, I guess. I'm not gonna connect the wallet. I just want to see the trades. So I guess it's swaps. Like, how am I gonna see it here, Andrew? Wait, which one you said you wanted? LQ? Is it liquid LQ? I'm not sure what LQ is. I'm not sure what to do with this one, man. It's the first DEX launching on the mainnet. All right. I'm not sure what to do here, bro. I'm not even sure where to see the can you actually even see the exchange? Oh, here it is. All right, it's just launched. It has no data. All right, cool. There's no data. Congrats on launching. LQ, here we go. Liquid, yeah. Liquid to ADA, 42. 41.50. I'm not sure if it's dollars or ADAs or whatever we're trading here. What is this? Liquid to ADA? Price by hour. There's a little bit of trade here, but again, I cannot bring a lot of indicators, man. It kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. So I cannot be really doing a lot of analysis here, but congrats on getting this launch, right? There is no tools. There's no tools. Yeah, not that I don't want to do it. It's just there's nothing here that I can use for charting. All right, so congrats on that. Let's go back here. All right, up next, DOT. Why are we not getting the DOT here? Oh, I know. It freezes when I leave the page, so I have to wait for it to like come back and reboot itself. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait like one or two of these things, and then we'll be there. Not a call, just saying what's going on. Like 15 minutes. Okay. Love the way you communicate. Sounds cool. Good TA. Thanks, man. Much appreciated. We're gonna check that in a second, though. Gonna wait for this to go through, and then we're gonna be checking this. Regular practice that kind of speaking. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I've been doing this for about 2 years and a half now, so I think it's kind of become a thing now. Again, gotta wait for this thing to. That's why I hate leaving TradingView when I'm on the streams lately. It's just been taking forever. Here we go, right? DOT. All right, DOT on. So I'm basically gonna be reserving all requests that are not on TradingView until after we finish TradingView, because it's just a pain in the butt to be coming back to it lately. Let's get into the daily. DOT. What's happening here? Again, look, we're getting the bullish divergence. We got our pop. Now we kind of failed to get higher than that 50% retrace. We were going for that 618, but we failed. Upper part of the Bollinger Bands posed a resistance, which again is normal. And breaking back below the 20 right now, try to hold support at this 382 retracement. And that is sitting at $25.23. $24.87 almost. So again, we are trying to hold. There is nothing bullish, right? Coming down low to high, negative, less negative, and low to high here as well on the other side. So nothing bullish. Looking for anything to develop here. The daily looks okay. Again, we're gonna start making negative momentum. Hopefully, we're able to hold this channel, and then if we start to go bullish, we're gonna get a nice rally coming up here. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, starting to come lower. Here we go. Here we're starting to develop some divergence. Look at that. Strong bullish. Again, probably coming with Bitcoin and Ethereum and everyone else also going down, right? So again, look at that. Boom, boom, and blam. Here we go. Strong bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. So we had the possibility for a rally. Where could we go? The 20 moving average will be the primary target at $28.23. After that, we're looking up here at $29.27. If we get above that area, we might have some kind of resistance here at around $30.16. And just to do that, I'm going to do a ray here off to the side. And that's going to let me know that there could be a potential resistance around that area. Again, not going to pinpoint it. I'm just looking for something around that area. Why am I drawing that? Well, we kind of rejected that area at the closing. And then we just kept on getting a lot of rejections on the following weeks. We wicked above it, but we didn't manage to close above it, right? So it is posing a resistance. So there could be resistance around $30.19. On that note, there is nothing bearish going on here, right? So let's go off to... Oh, there was something bearish here. Sorry. Strong bearish. Strong bearish. I almost missed it. But again, this is in the past. This is the reason that we dropped, right? Now we're looking for this bullish to come into play and get us to rally. We have against the MACD and the RSI. There we go. So let's go to the 1 hour. I wish you could practice, or I've done my first video for trading video on YouTube for analysis, but background noise and 60-minute videos seem too long for me, which I keep making. Will get better in the future. Good, man. That's awesome. Just keep doing it. Kino says damp. What's damp? I mean, with Divergence. What do you wait for closes for divergences, or else you could get cocked the candle? Yeah, I know. Look, all I'm doing is I'm saying up till now when we're live, it's there, right? And what I do is I say, like, you're gonna see this pop up here. Bloodbound says he's asking me about divergence and why am I tracing it to now to where the candle's live, right? And part of the reason that I'm trading it to where it's live is because I'm letting you guys know what's happening right now. But like I said, right, if we pull back up throughout the candle and we no longer have it, it's not longer going to be there, right? So what I'm saying here is basically our right, bloodbound. So the reason I do this is because it's live. We're doing it live, so I'm letting people know what could potentially happen and what they should watch out for, right? So again, yeah, I could be saying, oh, there's nothing right now, and then I just go through everything saying there's no divergence, but you know, we are developing divergence. It's kind of there right now. We still have 30 minutes to go on the candle. If we pull back out, we're no longer going to have it. If we stay below this area, people should know that they should be looking for this divergence to look for a potential bounce or maybe something going on. Now, then here where we're at, it's very easy for us to drop it all the way down here. And for us to be making a still less of that negative momentum and also less of that still be higher on the RSI. And we could be looking for that potential bounce at a key area of support, right? So again, it's going to be interesting for DOT. See how this is going to keep on developing. So let's go to the 1 hour again, and let's get this one rolling. Again, it's starting to come lower on this 1 hour, right? It's starting to make that bullish divergence strong. Again, it's starting to show up here. And I guess there's something I was telling you guys, right? So look, we're starting to make that negative momentum again. Hopefully it'll be short-lived because we're going to have, and even if we keep on dropping here, right? Like I said, we're going to still be making this divergence that is going to be bullish, and we're going to probably get a short-lived cross here of negative momentum, a short island, and then we could be looking for a rally, right? That's what I would be looking for a setup right now, right? So again, look at divergence against the MACD and the RSI. Again, I know it's live, sold at 32.19, but it's what we have right. Wrong screen, sorry, man. Let me get rid of the chat. There we go. I keep on forgetting to remove the chat. Thank you below. Much appreciated. The chat, I know. Sorry, guys, I've seen it. Here we go. Anyways, that's what we're getting, right? Again, that bullish divergence coming in, strong bullish. Again, coming in lower here on the price, going up higher, then higher here still as well. Sold at 31.93, and again, looking for that potential bounce. And like I said, we still keep coming down here and still have this bullish divergence, right? Again, it's not going to be weird if we drop here, and then we just still be somewhere around here. We could even go to oversold and have strong bullish divergence while being oversold, and that is going to be a lot stronger than the bullish divergence that we're getting right now. So again, being oversold with strong bullish divergence usually tells us that we're looking for some kind of bounce or something else to happen, right? So again, retrace. So last couple of minutes to go here on the candle, so we can come back to it later on. And once the market closes, and see how we're dropping here. We're at 30 almost. But yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Things seem like they're gonna be setting up here. Interesting. Bitcoin down 2% again, bleeding, right? Dropping. Remember what we said? 40,990 something is the target, right? So let's go back to Bitcoin real quick and see where we're at. Man, we were getting a slight drop here. And remember, 40,997 is gonna be a target. Bitcoin going there is gonna again be making it create divergence. We have it right now here in the 1 hour. I didn't draw it here on this chart, but we have it here on this one, right? We don't have it yet. But we are developing divergence. Oh, look at that. Hey there, we're dropping more. Right? Wherever we drop to. Again, I'm just highlighting these. We're going over a lot of data. We haven't closed the candle. We're going to come back to it by the time the candle closes, and then we're going to be drawing it again, right? But look at this, right? Strong bullish here, going from negative to positive and low to high on the other side. So a lot of bullish divergence developing here on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on a lot of the projects. Again, Ethereum taking the harding 5% down right now. 4% down, sorry. And hitting it. I gotta tell you guys, it looks like Ethereum might drop to the low 3,000s, right? So when I said low, I mean like the 3K area almost. Again, looking for potential bounce to start happening here in the market, right? Also here, look, starting to drop, starting to go for that divergence, right? Not there yet, but we're gonna start developing it. So we're also getting it here while being oversold, right? Extremely oversold. So it seems that some of the stuff we drew maybe didn't save. I'm not sure. because the page kind of like got lost. So let's see if we have it here. We're gonna know by going off to this chart and see where that line is. Yeah, we fixed it already. So let's go here on the 4 hour. Yeah, all right, cool. So data's now back. Cool. Here we go. Again, trying to hold on to this divergence, right? It's barely there. Now we're anchoring to a solid red, which again is how we want to anchor it on the daily. Again, it's still hurting. So Bitcoin going down. Oh no, people are coming in. Are they flocking in? No, 18%. 18 people watching. Thank you all for being here, guys. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us on the Discord. What else? We would like a move up, please. Yeah, everyone should vote. Let me catch up with the chat real quick here, though. Real quick. There was something about Divergence. Sorry, there was a question about Divergence earlier. Hidden bullish divergence on the monthly, and Bitcoin is respecting it. All right, cool. Let's go here on this chart. Let's go to monthly. Are we doing hidden divergence yet? Yeah, we are against the RSI, right? That is correct, sir. We're having divergence. All right, cool. So we're having this bullish divergence, right? Again, potential for rally again, or stagnation at least. We'll see how this keeps on developing, right? So yeah, interesting. Good eye there, man. Hadn't seen this one, or at least I haven't been looking for it. Let's go back to daily. No, we're in pain here on this daily, so let's fix it. Here we go. Again, we're trying to hold on to that support. Again, like I said, we're gonna likely go for $40,999 or $96 area, right? So, Al Producto, what's up, dude? A lot of chat I'm missing, guys. So, Steve's here, so he probably wants to do ADA. Steve, guess what? I wish right now I was just boring all-time highs all the time. I'll tell you that. Steve was here when I made a comment saying, I'm getting tired that every day we're getting all-time highs. It's just boring. Because for the market, it was boring. We weren't doing anything. We're just going higher. What are we doing today? We're going higher. What are we doing? Oh, we're going higher, man. All right, so there was no motion. Everything was going higher. And Steve was like making fun of me because I said I was bored of getting all-time highs every day for like 4 or 5 days in a row. So Bitcoin might break support level. It could. Yeah, right. All right, ADA, where are we at? Still holding, still doing good, man. ADA's actually managing to hold above this 236 fib retracement here, and still going slightly higher than when it was. And so nothing bullish, it's just neutral. Sorry, neutral 40.16 is holding. And yesterday it kind of pumped a bit. Probably, coming down lower still here. Negative, less negative. We do have a break here, but it's all read zero, right? Look, it's 0, 0, 0, 1, and then 0, 0, 1 also. So I'm gonna ignore that because it's almost garbage. And on that note, what I'm gonna do here is say, yo, there could be some bullish divergence happening. It might be strong. All right, look at this. Strong bullish, taking a pop, going for that 20 right now, going down on this 4-hour ride. So again, Bitcoin putting pain in the market, and ADA's kind of feeling it, and it's rejecting the 20, an area that we want to get above. We want to get above that 20 moving average. We're sitting sold at 38.61. Let's see how this keeps on going. Let's go to the 1-hour chart, man. Those were the days, I know. The December 4th wick has been recovered. Has it really? Are we at that level? Look at here, right? Strong bullish against the MACD. All right. So I'm trying to keep up with as much of the chat as I can, man. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for joining. Again, Bloodbound 696 on Twitch. If you want to join us on Twitter, sorry, not on Twitter, on YouTube, you can do it, right? It's at So Crypto. Again, bullish divergence strong, getting a pop, right? Now going from a high point to a lower point here. From a low point to a higher point, creating that hidden bearish. And again, putting pressure on the price. Hidden bearish usually gets us to move sideways or go down. We went for downwards motion. Look, impulse up. We were starting to flag beautifully here until Bitcoin and the rest started to drop. And look at how nasty we're dropping here in the 1 hour, man. 2.95% on this 1 hour. Not good. So again, strong bullish starting to develop on the larger move as well. Sorry, I wasn't able to mute the mic that time. Here we go, strong bullish, right? Sorry, not strong bullish. What am I talking about? There's no strong bullish here. It's still going higher. Jeez, what was the thing in there? There's nothing here that is bullish. My bad. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what data we get tomorrow. Again, let's go here. 41,921. Oh no! Oh, the mighty have fallen. I told you guys yesterday that holding on to this area and staying above it was going to be key. Now we're going down. And we're going down in an earlier round. But we ain't going down swinging, though. It just looks like we're free falling almost. Right? It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not as bad as it could be, right? It could be completely worse. Diamonds tend to do that. Yeah. Let's go to the weekly. Apparently, there's someone saying that it's a diamond pattern. I usually don't look for diamonds. Where are you seeing the diamond? Yeah, if you're like, I have a Discord link. It's posted here on Twitch. So join us on Discord and send me an image of what you're looking at, because I'm not sure what you're looking at for the diamond. Not really looking at this like any diamond, dude. So yeah, check them in the Discord. Yeah, don't go to the link that's at the bottom of the Discord. Go to the one I pinned here on the chat. Reason for that is we were getting a lot of bot attacks, so we decided to leave an expired link for the bots to go click and not be able to join. But go to this link and you'll be able to join us there. Ah, a loaded gun complex. Cock it and pull it, right? Going down on an earlier round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. Oh no, we're in a free fall to the next area of support. Yeah. Bluebirds softball cookie. Oh no, sorry, Bluebird softball cookie. I got it. Sorry, man. Yeah, the only reason you would need it, yeah, if you need to cash out right now, I mean, it's relative, right? And Bluebirds, I don't want to disagree with you. I agree. It would be bad if you needed to exit right now and get your money back, and you were at a loss. But this is relative, my friend. Yeah, I got it. It's relative, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you my entries. I've been doing this for a while, so this was one of my ends at 9,000. So for me exiting right now, it'll still be hell of an investment, right? But if you're getting at the 60K area and you need to exit right now, it'll be bad. So again, it's extremely relative to everyone's situation. That's why you cannot give financial advice and do anything of those things. A bot will send you something, man. So if you're there, I'll manually validate you, I guess. So the bot should have sent you something, but I'll verify you here manually and remove your unverified status. And there you go, man. What's up? All right. Right. So. Andrew, Elon says, Yay Malvo. Andrew says, I think I saw 3 forwards liquidated yesterday. I can't imagine what's left. Yeah, longs. A lot of people are probably opening longs right now, right? And we're looking for that. Anyways, my in was at 9,400s, right? Have another in somewhere. I can't remember if it was this chart or another chart. I have to zoom out quite a bit to be able to see them. I have so many charts open for Bitcoin. I can't remember which one's which. Okay, here we go. Have another in here at 10,300s. And then I should have something lower, right? Enter here. 7.5K, take profit at 8.9. Then I enter somewhere in here. and then I added more in here, right? So at 9, there was an entry here around that 9 that you saw, and then another entry here at 10. So I've been in for a while, man, and I've been getting in at really good areas of value. So that my oldest is what's doing the best, right? So now, what's up, dude? Let's see what's that. What did I do to Bitcoin? Yeah, I didn't do anything, man. It's wrecking itself. People are wrecking it. I'm trying to save it. We're fighting to preserve the Bitcoin, and someone's wrecking the market somewhere. Thank you, Gray, for being here, man. Yeah. The pain is bearable. Yeah. Yeah, I'm also way up, dude. You're trading with Elder? Yeah, a lot of people are probably opening longs here on hopes that it's going to start to retrace from here. So we might still get another push to liquidate those, right? Anyways. Market maker would be looking for people to get liquidated, I guess, right? That's what we'd be getting here. Something about recovered. So I guess, yeah, we're recovering these old levels almost. So not bad. A wick from something. You said, this chart has weird data. Yeah, we definitely recovered this large wick, right? On the moving down. So that was not even a year ago. Oh, dude, what? Yeah. Ethereum was under 2K. I know Ethereum has been doing a little bit over, a little bit better, yeah. From Noya, what's up? Crypto Vols Anderson, RIP. I doubt it. Short consolidation. Yeah, look, guys. Again, I've been pointing out this pattern, right, that we've seen before. It's not an actual trading pattern, but it's a pattern that we've seen here that has repeated multiple times. Again, we're getting this moving down, getting this pop here, and look at this drop, right? And then we get our pop. Again, look at this here, pop. Quick pop here, right? Drop, and then pop. So here we're getting that move, that pop, that move down here. And we could be looking for that pop, right? I'm dying to see if this pattern is going to repeat itself, because it will be the third time that we've seen it, right? Again, this all looks similar, right? We did the other day. It was like four rallies with bearish divergence, and this fell rally and the drop. 4 rallies with bearish divergence, hidden bearish, and then the drop still. Here we had bearish divergence strong developing from here to here, from here to here. So it was like 4 times that we got it right up to here. Then we got our failed rally here, which was shorter. And then we got our drops, right? So yeah, man. I mean, it's anyone's game right now. Again, there's a larger pattern for head and shoulders that a lot of people are going for. That's fine. Change a lot and then some, right? Oh, we always been down. I wish we could play down songs like, System of a Down. Down from 311. Sugar, we going down. Right? It's like a lot of down songs that we could play with, right? No way, no longs yet. All right, we'll see. Bluebird softball cookie, dude. Don't worry about it. Don't beat yourself. It's in the past. You can't do anything, right? The past is the past. You didn't get in. There's no way to think about it. So you're just wasting time and power, and you're stressing yourself over something you cannot change. Stop thinking about it. You didn't get into it. Screw it. Just go with what you can do. When I have my first comic account, right? No way. No longs yet. You just want their crypto back? Maybe. Right, so you're looking for a fill to get there. That's good. Yeah, patience. Patience is key. Have a main chart. All right, so I see what you're sending. All right, you have a lot of data here, man, on your charts. Yeah, I kind of get what you're looking at here. Sorry, guys. Lawbound, send me something here on Discord for a sort of diamond pattern. Tell you, I'm not liking it as a diamond. I mean, it seems to be playing out, but I'm not liking it as a diamond. I'll draw it here in the weekly so you guys know what I'm talking about. So what our buddy here is saying is that there is a diamond pattern that's forming here on Bitcoin, and one has data. All my Bitcoin charts are busy. That's a problem, though. Let's find the one that's not as busy as the rest. That one has a very large wick to the downside, so we're not going to go with that one. You draw a line on the closest. That's fine. That works. Madam, what's up? Yes, we're looking at Bitcoin. We know. That's what we hear. We've been saying this for like a while now, that we're expecting a movement down. I've drawn it a couple times. You go like back to we're starting to get that spike and that movement down a couple days ago on December 25th, and then you should watch the old streams, and I've been talking about this. So anyways, the diamond pattern. Oh, by the way, yeah, this re-rising value that we're looking for, guess what? We're no longer there, right? That drop that we're getting, it's saying bye-bye to that. Look at this. We're dropping lower on the previous low close, so hell, we're going down, right? So not there. So what am I looking at here? So the thing that he was drawing on the weekly was this here thing. Sorry, it was coming in like this, right? And then he was coming down like this. And then the other thing comes somewhere like this, I guess, on the lines. Yep. And the other portion was coming in like this, I guess. Something like this, I think. No, that's below there. So this one. This is diamond that that our buddy here, Lawbound, sent me. So I'm not sure, man. And he's targeting a measure move off like the low point of the diamond, the highest point of the diamond. So should be targeting somewhere down here at 24,000, right? So again, it is very similar to the measure move we're looking for the head and shoulders if it comes to fruition, right? And we have this here, right? And we said if that comes to play on the head and shoulders, we're looking for that moving down. And the reason that this is not there right now, it's like, one, we're getting that area support, but I did shift this and we had it like this. Right, so it was the original head and shoulders drawing, sorry, and we're breaking this area. So yeah, go figure, right? Go figure, man. The Bitcoin's going down. A lot of people coming in now wondering what's happening here. Well, if you've been here the last couple days, you know I've drawn this pattern plenty of times. I've said, yo, guys, check this out. We're getting this move here. Boom, 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 boom. Blam, right? And again here. Boom. Sorry, not there. Boom, 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 boom. And then blam. Right? And then here we're getting something similar. Boop, boop, boop. Our drop now is going a little bit lower than I would have loved to have seen it. But again, I'm still waiting to see if we're going to go for a pop here. Right? Oh, let's just go watch Bitcoin. Everyone's wondering about Bitcoin, so we'll be here. Yep, wait. Yeah. We're going to go here for... See how low we went? Oh no, we're still going down. Oh my goodness. What's happening with Bitcoin? Ethereum, please. Yeah, we can go back to Ethereum. Is it hurting still? Is it hurting still? Yeah, 4%, 5% down almost. 4.5. I know. Hassan says the whole crypto market is a joke. Complete speculation. Well, that's fine. You can do that. You can say that, right? You're entitled to your opinion. Ethereum 3,200. We're looking for a move down here to around the 3,220. I think we have something. Yeah, 3,215. And then below there, 3,039, right? So yeah, not looking good, man. Do I like scalping? Yeah, I think we could be setting out for a good opportunity here on particularly if we go for a quick drop. Could be a good area to get a buy and then just ride it back up, right? So on the pullback. The way I trap structure? What do you mean I trap structure? Oh, all right, I get it. Huh. Yeah. What is this here? 52? 46? We're about to get rid of this divergence here on Ethereum. It's not going to be good. Buying Crow. Nice. GS says goodbye. Thank you for being here. Ooh, one up. All right, let's go back here. 41,180 again. Like I said, guys, right? 40,000 and change. Talented painting. Inverse moon. Hassan says, "This is going to be a long bear market. The economy's going to fall into a huge depression." I'm not sure. Maybe. We'll see. Yeah. The triangle side triangle. Yeah, triangleception. Little Mike. 37,000 K for the buy. Nice. Trying to go back to this chart. It's not working. Like this doesn't want to cooperate. I'm like, go back to the chart where we have our resistances. It's like, no, this one works. But as soon as I try to go into Gemini, it's like, we can't go there. No Gemini chart. So all my supports and resistances are kind of gone right now. So we know we have something on 40,996. We'll see. CVA is going for the large caps. Yeah. Inflation is no joke. I know we haven't really seen the effects on the economy of everything that has been going on, and the economy stalling for about a year ago, right? Like we had a long stall in the economy where everyone being in lockdown. So yes, we have not seen that yet reflected in the economy. Again, Gemini chart seems to go down, or it seems to be down. This chart at least is working on Bitstamp. So we're gonna be going with this one. We do have support also below the 40,000s, around, I think we have something around 39,000. Then we go down here to the 38,314. However, something that we should draw. For that, again, I need to find a clean chart. I just have all my charts are busy. So let's see, what was this? Low to high on some kind of time scale. So high to low, sorry. And just see where we're gonna go. So I'm gonna get rid of this fibs here. And remember, right, we are also on this larger structure, right? This larger upsloping channel structure. So we are breaking below that 25 percentile, right? We struggle with it here. And we're breaking below it, and we're down. Guess what? We're also below. Guys, I've said this plenty of times. If you follow the stream, we haven't looked at the 200 moving average. I'm pretty sure we're below it. Let me fib this real quick. Let me get fibs here from the low point. I'm going to consider this to be the low point, local low here. And then go to local high and then see where we're at. Retracing almost 100%. Oh no. Yeah. Join Discord. We're starting to get coin ATM machines and all sorts of stuff. That's pretty good. So, all right. So we're going down. We know that. I was gonna show you guys something. I forgot what it was. Had to do with Bitcoin though. Oh, 200 moving average. Here we go. Someone said the EMA, so I just remember. Is this the chart I'm looking for? Is it Bitstamp? Yeah. Bitstamp on the daily, right? Yep. All right, cool. So let's go here. I'm going to show you guys this, right? And I've talked about this plenty of times before. Ignore a lot of the stuff that's in the chart because we're going to start going way back. So first things, 200. We're below the 200 moving average. We're below the 200 moving average since back here, right? When we broke below 47,238. And remember what I told you guys about being below 200 moving average and what was important about this? Look at the history of Bitcoin, right? I'm not going to go on log scale because everything gets skewed, but look at the history of Bitcoin, right? Even if we go back till, 2013 or so, 2014, every time we've been above that 20 moving average, right? We've been in a bull trend. Every time we've broken below the 200 moving average, look at this, even here. We've been on a bear market. Now, this bear market, since we broke it, we can measure it and see how long it lasted. So from here to here, we could say kind of lasted, or we can even say way down here. It's around 558 days. So we looked at about a year of like downward sideways motion. Not pretty, right? Not pretty. Then we got above that 20 and look at how good we did, right? So very, very nice here in 2017. Then we broke here below that 200 and oh no, it was pain again, right? All the way from here to here, right? Till we broke, sorry. We recovered it here on April the 1st. So that was a recovery date. We broke here and we recovered right around here. So around 389 days. So we're looking about a year of bearishness, right? Over here, look at that. This one was kind of short-lived, but we got a bumpy ride here, and we can always measure it also and see where we went. So around 219 days of just up and downs and sideways, right? Some bearishness. And we got above it finally, doing really good, like shadowing the other bull runs, right? By volume move, not by percentage move. Percentage move, the other ones were a lot better. And look at where we're at, breaking below 200. So if we are going to break below 200, we are looking maybe about a year of sideways motion, right? It's not going to be good. We need to recover that 200. We need to get above it again. And it's not the first time we broke it here. We broke it back here. We recovered it quickly. It took about a half a year almost for us to get back above, right? From here to here. And go on the bullish, 134 bars. So like I said, almost half a year. And yeah, right now we're breaking below it. And I don't like it. I don't like it because it could bring a lot of pain. Now, like I said, a lot of companies are in here. A lot of companies are into crypto, right? So that could be beneficial over long term, right? Again, not sugarcoating it, but we are here. If you had one Bitcoin, would you move it into stable coin and back later, or just hold? James, dude, that is called giving financial advice, and I cannot tell you what to do with your money, unfortunately. But if you believe that is the right move for you, put it into a stable coin, and then if it drops, buy more. Go for it, man, right? Again, if it starts to recover, you can always go back in, lose a little bit of your position, but still get back in instead of taking a hit of money. So if it starts to drop, you can always buy back in at a lower area of value and then get a larger position. Again, it's up to you. If you preserve wealth right now, you're going to be able to buy Bitcoin, not the same amount of Bitcoin, but the same amount of money worth of Bitcoin, right? Same amount of dollars worth of Bitcoin in the future. Not just the same amount of Bitcoin, but if it drops, you're going to be able to get more Bitcoin. Again, it's a trade-off, and it's up to you to determine how much lower you think the market could drop and where it could go. Again, I've told you where I believe it could drop. I'm talking about 40,000, right? Who said that? James, much appreciated, man. Thank you for being here. Rashid, 40K, yeah, 40K. I just can't get this chart to open. Let's see if I can get it to open now. Again, it's not really cooperating here. The chart here on is the only one that don't want to open, man. It's busy, I guess. It's the trading view chart for Gemini. It ain't working, and that's where I have all my horizontal supports and resistances, and they work so far. So yeah. How much more do I think we drop? Yeah, 40Ks, high 40Ks, and then if we drop there, man, 39s. This is going to depend on whether or not we hold on to support with the bullish divergence that we are trying to have or hold on to. I pull up the volume. Yeah, it's down here, man. Volume's here. So let me get back this to the 20 moving average, because one, it's messing everything up. Here we go. And volume's here. Again, here on this chart, after that 47,000, my next support here, or my next main support, gonna be down here around the 38,000. Now I do have something around the 41Ks, and I think it might have come from somewhere down here. I think so. I think this spike here is something I had targeted for that 41K. Right, so what I'm gonna do here, let's get this to show here as a ray. First little ray, here we go, and then just pin it here. So yo, that's a move. That's a 41,800. I know I have it in the other chart of 41 or 40,000 something. So that could be an area that we could be trying to hold on to support. Look again, rejected here briefly, managed to hold support here at that area. So it could be an okay target for Bitcoin to go to, right? At 40,000. Sorry, that's the target, 40,626. In the other chart, I have it at 40,600. Sorry, 40,996. Again, it's a very similar area, and looking at very similar things. So again, potential support happening, right? We'll see. By the way, guys, if you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Ooh, that's not going. There we go. It ain't going. Why? Can we get it up now? Don't want to work. That's weird. I should get this little thing to come up. There we go. Now it came up. Do those little things. Like, bell, sub, join us on Discord. Volume profile. Yeah, I can look it up here. I have it here on this other chart. Let's see how updated this is. Trying to get it to open, but it ain't working. Oh, here it wants to open, I guess. Nope, it's struggling. TradingView must be getting a lot of visitors, people panicking. Dude, it's not just ETH. Everything's so dependent on Bitcoin. Volume profile. Here we go. Put this on the daily. It's taking forever. It's taking forever to do stuff on trading. Here we go. All right, cool. Yeah, we're in this downhill rolling motion. Not good, right? I mean, we might have some kind of divot here around the 40Ks. That might try to hold us. But, bro, is it going to be a struggle to get back above this line, right? Think about it. For us to climb up this hill again, it's going to be taking strength, right? Now, there is, on a moving down, a break for us to try to catch. That break comes here, right? Before we start climbing here to drop down here to the 36,000s, which is not going to be pretty. So this comes around that 40,700. Again, here in 40,800s. That's an area we could be looking for some kind of, oh snap, not that. Here's an area we could be looking for a potential break, and then see if we can get strength to kind of run this hill back up, and then try to get to where, you know, just inertia will get us to come down here around that 53,000. That would be a pretty good move. Yeah, plus volume profile. Let's get it out of the way. Right. Anything doing well against Bitcoin at the moment? Yeah, whatever's not dropping more than Bitcoin. Bitcoin's only down 3%. That means Ethereum's probably down 5%. Yeah, 5% a dot almost. And still hurting, and almost at the target that I've set, right? That first target for support. We'll see if we hold there. And that bullish divergence is still there. We're probably negating divergence in shorter time scales, and I really, really want to see that. Where we're at with regards to the other things. But again, look, we just finished this hour, right? We're at 5 p.m. A lot of people watching. Thank you for being here, guys. Much, much awesome. Very nice. High five. I like everyone here being here. High five. Again, bullish divergence strong is still there, right? Again, you were asking me earlier, blow down, why are you drawing this? I said, well, I'm drawing this because, you know, it's live. I acknowledge it for what it is. But now we start a new candle. We're going to see if this divergence is going to get it to hold. Now it's going to depend. You can also say, look, I'm moving down here, right? Because this is something I haven't today. So we move down, and then we start to get our upsloping consolidation here, right? Slightly upsloping. What happens with that? We break back down again. So, man, we're kind of doing what we're expected to do. We've talked about failing at our support here. I said if we fail the whole, you know, the 41, 2,000, whatever target we had here on this other chart, here we go. It's going to come up. There we are. Finally working here. Gemini. All right, so 40,997, that's an area of support. Then 39,291, then 37,000, right? So those are the gaps on a moving down. So yeah, 40,000, 39, and then 37. So yeah, those are the moves down. Again, I don't like this chart because it's starting to get a lot of gappage. What do I mean by that? Look at all the gaps that we have here, right? Here. That just means there's data missing. Again, Gemini chart has been trash for a while. So looking and see if this, again, we could drop, like I said, to here. We're still going to try to hold to divergence. I'm not sure we're going to get it, though. But in the 1 hour, we could. And if we do that and hold support around that 40,997 with strong bullish, we could be looking for a pop again. We're in that bullish divergence right now while being oversold, right? So again, potentials. Looking for what could happen with the market again. Potential for moving up. So what else are we going to do here, man? Again, we're here every night, 9 p.m. Central, right? Every night. We've been here for about 2.5 years now. And I'm always here, guys. I'm always here.
Walk into the club like, what up?
Nebula, sponsored. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated. Bro. Or sis. That's awesome.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you.
That
Thank you very much.
is awesome. Is that a Space Marine on your picture, Nebula? Is that a Space Marine? That was a few days ago. Ooh, Craig, what's up, dude? Seen your Seamus being like disappointed. Sorry about that. Good stream, thanks, I appreciate it. Except when I'm, yeah, I know, Bitbeard, I know. But I'm usually here. I try to be here unless, you know, stuff like that happens. But maybe it looks like you have a Space Marine, Ultramarine from Warhammer. Mark of Prophet says, I subscribed. I like your vibe. Thank you very much, man. Much appreciated. Actually, you won't believe this. I was asking the other day about, you know, painting miniatures because I think I might get into this. He's not a space marine, but it is one of those. I think they call them Sigmarines. They're from Age of Sigmar. And I think it's just a funny thing to start doing. Again, just give me time to practice a new skill, I guess, right? Which is painting miniatures. It's gonna be interesting. Henry says, let's go 42K. Must hold. Yes, we know. I'm every night. I'm almost here every night for sure, man. Except for when I have something else going on. Which, again, February, I'm not going to be here for about a week. I tell you guys out of pit. I'm going to be out of town. I'm going to be taking the family on vacation. I haven't taken the family on vacation in a long time, so it's overdue. And then on February, we're going to be streaming. Sorry, in March, we're going to be streaming from Vegas. Yeah. We're going to be in Vegas. It's going to be good. So cool. You know about Warhammer 40K? I know about 40K. Bibber says, I painted Warhammer figurines when I was a kid. Orcs, lol. That's pretty good. Yeah, I wanted to get a new hobby, so yeah, why not, right? I actually went up and picked this up today. I've been trying to get into this for a while. I just never did, right? Slacky coming in with
for fun. Prediction for the next hourly close.
All right. First of all, my friend, to you, I'll say...
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome. Thank you very much for a kind donation. You think I'm trending? I think people are coming in because the market's dropping. But we'll see. We'll see. Again, hit the like, guys. Hit the like, all right? If you can hook me up with that, that's awesome. Meeker's Adventure. What's up, dude? My follow is down 20%. Oh, come on. Bitcoin, hold the line. I know. Prediction for the next hourly close. All right. I think it's going to be coming down to this candle here. Now... this is gonna be interesting. I need to go to short time scales for me to be able to give you something on the hourly. Again, we have this bullish divergence that we're trying to hold, and that is still gonna be happening. Like I said, even if we drop to lower areas of value. So let me go here to this chart. What I'm looking at here is, and this is for your prediction, right? I hate doing predictions, by the way. I don't do predictions. I can tell you about the market. I don't do predictions. Why don't I do predictions? I don't do long-term predictions because they're depending on a lot of factors that sometimes are out of the reach of whatever we can see in the market. So you can have things like economical things or geopolitical things put pressure on the price and make it go down without necessarily having to do with the technicals. The technicals could be there and they could be solid. We could still see trouble. All right, I think we're gonna start getting some kind of relief here. We can still go down a bit, not a lot from where we're at. There's bullish divergence. That's gonna try to help the price move up a bit, but I believe a conservative range, and I will give you a range because I'm not going to give you an exact target. If we are to move down, I think we're not going to, for some reason, I believe we should be going to that 40,997. So the reason I believe we're going to go down to that 40,997 is because if we go there, look at the drop. Look at the drop we're going to have. It's just going to go here. It's not a lot. Right? And it might not be for the next hour, though, right? But again, I'm looking at this on a little bit of a larger area. So again, we're going to be developing that strong bullish at a key area of support, right? So that could help it pop. Now, we're starting to see this candle, whatever quarter of an hour we're seeing indecision, right? So I believe we could be closing very, very near to where we're at right now. So 41,911. I'm not going to call it exactly at that. But I think we're going to make an indecision candle, and that's just going to look tiny with wicks to the sides, right? Price is right rules. Give us a target. I know. I'm looking for something in this area, right? Probably not a lot down, a lot up, but something in this area. So I'll do this. I'll give you that as a range. Oh, here we go. That as a range, maybe, right? That might work as a range. So 41,888 to 41,644, right? I want to move off this to the side and leave it there. And I think that could be a solid target for Bitcoin on the hour. So I'll put this one up a bit. There we go. I think that was going to be a good target. Hopefully it's going to hold within that area, right? Hold or no Lambo 2024. I know. It's too long. It's way too many days to go. Look at Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum. The hurting is coming in. I know. No, Ethereum's dropping. Same story, right? Bullish divergence is there. Strong bullish while being oversold. Guys, this is primo. This is what you want to find. This is like the best thing ever. Why? Because we're having this bullish divergence while we are oversold, right? oversold with strong bullish divergence, usually catalyst for action to the upside, right? A reversal to come in. I just hope that we can hold, right? Bitcoin holds. We go down to 40K. We might still have this bullish divergence while being oversold. That could really spark a strong motion to the upside. Guy in a coffee cup. Ooh, you must be a tiny guy to be in a coffee cup, or that coffee cup must be huge. Buy car. Use car to go work. Work to pay for the car. Crypto is the answer to pay for. Nice. Yes, it could be. This is fun. I love being here, guys. It is awesome. I'm gonna catch a nice. Not catching a nice before non-farm payrolls, but seriously considering taking spot longs here, Carthago. Yeah, dude, right? It feels like it's an area. Feels like it's an area, right? Now, if you look, Cardano dexes are coming into the market. Ethereum heads are flocking to the Cardano subreddit. Are they really? Hassan, you hope so. Yeah, me too. Me too. We're waiting to see if the market's going to hold this level. Next support for Ethereum on a movement down. Oh, bro. 2000. There's not a lot in this area, right? And I'll show you why. I have to go to the daily. And let me go this on auto so it looks a little bit better. Not that tool. All right. Why is it a large drop, right? From here, we're going to have a fib retracement here at 3,000. But the next support that I have drawn is at 2,800. Why that, right? Look at Ethereum, man. Look at Ethereum, right? Every time from here to here, right? It's just been quick pumps and drops. So here we run from here all the way up to here, right? All the way up to here, coming down a bit, not hitting the 20, so not gonna call that as a potential support area. And then here on the drop, we just plummeted all the way down here, right? And then we try to find support down here at 2,789, and then we started to recover. And again, there's some kind of support maybe around this here area. Not gonna be huge though, right? It's not gonna be a huge support. So let me go here. Let's get a ray. Let's just draw it from here, right? Again, we're not coming back to this area a lot. So last time we run all the way from down here, again from 2,789. We run all the way up here, right? A quick shot. So not a lot of resistance on the way up. So that's why I'm thinking there might not be a lot of support on the way down as well. All right. So I just drew one here. I just put it in. It's gonna be this small one at 3,158, which again we could try to hold, but I think we're gonna burst through that, maybe come here or even here, 2,891. Those are the areas, right? Just in time says he's living on a prayer. Nice. We're halfway there. We'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer. William Shatner should sing that. So I'll just sing it, it'll be funny. That moon chart really works, the inverse moon. We can do this. We can make this into a moon chart. Don't worry about it. Guys, look at this. Bitcoin is mighty. Let's get this one here. Look at what it's doing though, right? Look at what it's doing. It's going up. We've just been looking at it the wrong way. Look at this. It had bullish divergence. It popped more. Now it's creating strong bearish divergence. That means we gotta go down, right? We gotta go down to it. $47,238 mark, and then if we break there, 55,644 on that large movement down on Bitcoin inverted, right? So, yeah, just kidding. We are pumping. Flip the side. You feeling bad? Flip that. How is it? Turn that frown upside down. Turn that chart upside down. I guess that's what we should be doing. Oh, make you feel better, right? You have to. You have a way to look at global leverage ratios right now? No, I don't. Sorry, man. Not that I don't want to. I don't have a way to look at that, right? Bloodbound said, like we say, would see a wake to the upside if we saw bullish divergence or something. Yeah. So Bitcoin's dropping a little bit below the target I set, probably. Not sure. Let's go here in the 1 hour. I think we're gonna, yeah, we're at the bottom part of that target. We still have 41 minutes to go. And I'm hoping that we hold this area, right? Again, if we drop more, like I said, we could drop all the way down here and have bullish divergence, but at least for now, I'm hoping that we're going to get some kind of relief in a wait period. So wait candle, not just moving down, because it's going to really turn the market into a negative thing. From what did it catapult last time? Bitcoin? Bullish divergence. here, bullish divergence strong, right? From back here, bullish divergence strong, right? Look, low, high. Oh, we're catapulting off bullish divergence, right? So, yeah. Go long on chart, moving right. All right, cool. Anyways, now we're going down more. Dropping? Yeah, I think we're dropping more, man. Not liking it, though. I'll tell you that. Do not look at the prettiest. Right now, we're in a downwards motion. So, yeah, I'm looking for that 40,990 plus target. I don't think we're going to hit on this hour. I mean, if we go there, it's going to suck. And it looks as though Bitcoin really wants to get that move going again. Oh, snaps. We are dropping to that area, I guess. So 41,400, trying to hold 41,300. Oh no, the market is bleeding. Yeah, no, we're way out of the range, dude. Sorry, man. We're gonna get rid of it. We could, in theory, try to get some pullback happening, right? So we could drop here and then pull back up on the candle. We'll see. Again, 40,990 plus is it's a target I'm looking for Bitcoin to try to hold. And like I said, we're very likely still gonna have this bullish divergence in play, right? I simply am. We'll have a 40k. Quick. Yes. Bought more VT on this dip. Nice. You failed? Ooh. Who failed you, Andrew? Who failed you? Let us know. Anyways, guys, thank you for being here again. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub, join us in the Discord. Links have gone out. Oh no. Pin at the top of the chat, right? Pin at the top of the chat if you're on YouTube, if you're on Twitch. They've gone out plenty of times, I guess. Yeah. Ethereum getting destroyed. Yeah, Ethereum's getting annihilated, dude. 7%. No, sorry. What is this? 6%. Oh, 7%. Yeah, Ethereum's taking up the wazoo, man. Not good. Not really liking it. Not really liking it. I think it's affecting everyone else, man. It's affecting everyone else. Rich Satoshi says, time to get some chip near. Yeah. Man, it's hurting so bad that I'm hoping that we get a green February. What do I think about the price we get in 5 years? Oh, bro, the thief. I would say Bitcoin price in 5 years is as good as you can tell me, man. Not that I don't want to give you an answer, right? The thing is, like, there's so many unknowns that could happen in 5 years, right? A lot of people were predicting Bitcoin was going to be 100,000 by the end of the year. It sounded possible. It looked possible. Damn, we were freaking close to it. But, you know, it didn't happen. So, again, 5 years, yeah, probably about 200,000 maybe. If things keep on going the way it is, right? Jack got busy and just looked at the charts. Yeah, we're bleeding, man. We're bleeding. The market's bleeding. What do you think? Yeah, try and catch a falling knife. These are almost too good to pass up. Yeah, dude, you can always add on the way down. Right? DCA. Bro, Tip says all the phone alerts. Oh no. Yeah. Bitcoin will be up in a couple weeks ahead. Total time highs. Yeah, we'll see, man. I mean, I'm not panicking or anything. Again, my entries on Bitcoin are extremely good, so I'm happy. Hell, a lot of my entries in general are pretty good. Doing good, guys. We're doing good. All right, going down. Getting good areas to buy Bitcoin, right? Kidwin says Bitcoin on the rack. Yeah. ADA still looks good. Yeah. We'll see. Is it? Hey, it is snaps. It is down 5%. It's trying to go green, but it's rejecting its retracement here at I think it was 121. Yeah, 121. Oh no, ADA. Everyone's like hurting, man. Everyone's here for Bitcoin. Let's give the people what they want. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
The dude abides.
The dude abides. You think we're on the verge of crypto mainstream? I'm talking casinos, banks. Yeah, that was already crypto casinos, but yeah, we could see that. And I mean, some countries are already getting crypto payments, right? Particularly in El Salvador. So yeah, I think we're on the brink of a mass adoption. Andrew, you're doing good, man. Right? Am I not into trains? What kind of trains? Like, no, I'm not into trains. I'm not sure what train you're talking about. Like, it's a weird question. Like model trains? No, I'm not into model trains. Sorry, man. I am into. I'm just getting into painting stuff. Again, I need to find a hobby. So I think this is gonna be a good hobby. Hopefully, it's not gonna rob me of all my money. I need some opium. I'm gonna look like SpongeBob breaking my spatula. I'm not sure what SpongeBob breaking the spatula looks like, but 5 minutes later, Bitcoin dropping. Donut trains? Yeah, I'm into donut trains. Gold to Bitcoin? Yeah, we can look at gold to Bitcoin. Yeah. Again, like I said, dude, Bitcoin's second major. Get a near wallet. All right, I'll write it down here, man. Get near wallet. I will get a near wallet. I promise you will not be far into the future. Maybe tomorrow, tonight. I'll be near. 3D print your minis. I'll save money in the long run. I don't have a 3D printer. I need to buy a 3D printer first, and then 3D print my minis. Gold to Bitcoin. Sorry, someone said gold to Bitcoin. Let me do that real quick, guys, because, you know, a lot of stuff going on. We'll be okay. Evening, young boy never sell again. You're probably not selling on right now. Bitcoin to gold. Right, yeah, it's dropping a bit. What?
Swoochu.
Choo-choo. Woo.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. That is awesome.
Thank you very much.
Bitcoin to gold is also creating some bullish here daily. Looking for potential rally. Look at this. So much bullish divergence developing in Bitcoin. Now it's hurting. That means the gold is holding on better to the corn. Yeah, bullish divergence strong. Look at this, right? Strong bullish. We don't have it against RSI, just against the MACD. We're going here oversold at 29.43, and we have the probability for a rally. I choose you, Pikachu. Yeah, find a better perspective. Right, what is this? Yeah, I cannot go into the 4 hour. I'll just be on the daily. Yeah, we're looking at bullishness. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Dude, again, 1 hour Bitcoin is ruling the market. Everyone wants to see what's happening with the corn. I know it's dropping. Hello. Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated.
Choo choo.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary. Yeah.
Thank you very
It's
much.
awesome. Thank you very much, guys, for the kind donation. I really appreciate it. And you guys are amazing. Thank you for being here and being part of this awesome community. And yeah. River for War says, yeah, dude, someone followed. Thank you very much for the follow, man, on Twitch. Much appreciated. I can get to see who it was, and it's not showing up here on the side of the screen, so I cannot know who is here. Let's go to the chat real quick. I know I'm up to the chat, but let's bring it up here for a bit. Well, someone timing. That's what River for War said over there, and I just think it's hilarious. All right, let's get out of the chat. All right, out of the chat. Let's keep looking at this. All right, yeah, Bitcoin hurting. Still got 30 minutes to go, bros. And we've just been doing corn like none other day. Today should be known as Corn Day. How's that LQ doing? Yeah. Are you longing? Please pull back up into the small, tiny square. Apostolic Mind, what's up, my friend? Great night to trade, yeah. Where's High Card Jesus? I haven't seen him in the longest time. He used to come in and say, oh, the market's gonna die, we're all gonna go down, because, you know, the Bitcoin down's going up, so, look at the Ethereum down. Who means High Card Jesus? Hello, Rashid says, thing dump is over for today. Wait until China comes live, right?
Chugga chugs, chugga chugga choo choo FFFFFFFFFFF.
Jay, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated, brother.
Audience, say it with me.
Oh, legendary, man. That is amazing.
Thank you very much.
Is Algo a good long-term hold? Yeah, I think Algo's a good long-term hold, man. Do I like better Solana or Luna? I think Solana's going to be doing good as well. You might want to diversify your portfolio, Teef. How far do you think the Bitcoin will go down? Right now I'm targeting 40,997. If it holds support there with the strong bullish divergence, we could be okay. Otherwise, we could be looking for the 39, 37,000. Where that 3 came from? I'm not sure. You're the one that typed it, my friend. Really dropped to the 1K from the weeks. Yeah, I know. I'm out of water. Alex coming in and says, sell! Well, if you sell, you're just gonna keep dropping the market. Again, guys, we gotta see what Asia's gonna, Asia's already live. So we gotta see what Europe's gonna do when they come live at 2 in the morning. All right, let's see what happened yesterday at 2 in the morning. Or way back here, when was this? This wasn't during the US session. We took that drop during the US session. Asia came live here around 6, 7, so they kind of moved sideways. And then Europe came here at 2 in the morning and they dropped it a bit, but then we recovered it throughout the day. So it wasn't bad. US coming live somewhere around here. So America in general coming live somewhere around here. And looking good, right? So we took a small rally and then Asia. This is Asia coming live, right? This is Asia being live right now. I'm dropping the market. Waiting for that to come in. There we go.
Happy days.
Thank you very much for that. Much appreciated, my friend Greg.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you very much.
Low Boy says, I wonder when we'll hit bottom. That's a good question. I think we're going to hit it soon. It's going to be good if we hit the bottom soon, right? Soon. Let's go, bro. 80 viewers. Yeah, let's go. No, let's do something, man.
Hail to the king, baby.
Or this one.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
You have a feeling it's going to dump? I have a feeling 40,997 is going to get hit. You feel like this might be like 2018? Yeah, maybe. We're starting to break below a 200 moving average. I talked about that earlier. And yeah, if we are below a 200 moving average, we felt to recover it, then yes, we could be looking at similar scenario. We just start moving sideways and maybe dropping still like 2018, yes. Young boy never so low again. I'm getting so wasted. Looking at, yeah, I know. It kind of sucks, right? It makes me want to have like whiskey. Strong bullish divergence on that viewership. Now we're going up on viewers, but the viewers are up. Versus the overall down market brings my, yeah, I know. It brings your PP down, man. I'm sorry about that. That's a bad coin to hold, by the way. They said that if you play with it, it should grow, but you know, May is just, coins are shriveling with the market, so it's not working. I want to buy back for this time. I'll wait. Yeah, look for entries around the 40,197. That could be a good area to put something. And then set up a high stop loss in case it drops more. You can always try to get back in at 39,000 or 37,000. Right? Or you can buy back in once it tries to pass at 40,997. Market Profit says that Kazakhstan will be the catalyst for this. That's a weird prediction. Andrew, why is that? Just like since you're acknowledging that most likely outcome will bounce rally around 40K and we don't have to talk about repeating 1,000. Yeah, hopefully, man. Hopefully we can bounce around that 40K area, right? It's not gonna be bad. I think Bitcoin will go down 37,000, 39,000. Yeah, that's targets. We have targets there. Again, there are areas of support on the way down, right? Hoping that we hold here. My name explains how I feel. Yeah, never sell low. Never sell low, never sell high, right? Low boy, never sell again, ever. I'm kidding, man. You might sell high, I'm not sure. 404.45 million got wrecked from who? In shorts? Oh, look at that. We're getting it for the move. Oh, we're going to go for that 40,197. Almost there, man. Almost there. Not that I'm excited, right? I am excited. I want to see if it holds. This is just my theory. I want to see if it holds. We might hit it, drop below it, but we're probably gonna try to close above that area. If we hold and close below that 40,997, very likely we make a move to 39, right? Again, it's just gonna not be pretty. A lot of people probably trying to open longs on catching the knife right now. The market can get wrecked. All the China miners move to. All right, that is. Ooh, that is interesting market profit. I haven't been keeping up with those news, but that is good to know. That is good to know, my friend. Ooh, a lot of people coming in. Everyone's wondering what's happening with the corn. Yes, we've been looking at it since we started. Thank you for being here, guys. Much appreciated. Thank you all for joining me tonight for an awesome stream. Again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit that like, hit that bell, hit that sub, right? Join us in the Discord and be part of the awesome community that we're building here. Again, guys, we're trying to build the most awesome crypto community out here. And we cannot do it without you guys. And it's thanks to you guys that come in here that we're building this awesome thing. So thank you all for joining me and chatting and talking. And John's at 9, so I'm not sure why he's at 9, but 9. All right, 9. Right on, dude. 39. All right. I guess that was the target. Kazakhstan has shut down the country's internet, and they have huge mining community there. Seems attributing this to the current dip. That could be it, right? That could be it, man. 1 minute chart time. Yeah, let's go there, man. Why not? Why not? Let's go to the 1 minute. We haven't done that in the longest time, so. Is it any good here? Look, we stayed here for a while. That was pretty good. Now we're sucking down here. There's strong bullish divergence. We should be looking at least some potential action to the upside here. Like, look at this, a 1 minute chart, Bitcoin. This might actually not be the best 1 minute chart, so I'm gonna go to another one. Why am I saying that? There's gaps in the chart. It just doesn't look good when there's gaps. So let's go to this one. It might be a little bit better filled. There's also gaps, but at least not as bad. So right, there's still bullish divergence. Bullish divergence strong, my friends, and with that, the potential for a rally. Oh no, Ari, look at where we're going. 40,900 now. We're hitting target. We just hit target. Very close to it, man. Let me go back to the 1 hour chart. Look at it. We have hit the target. Wicked. On the lowest point, 41,000. So we have a 40,997. That's $3 of target. We're hitting it. And prediction is on the low price. Yes, we already talked about that. 40,000. If we break that area, 39, 37s. Those will be the next targets in the movement down, right? What is? I'm not sure, dude. Andrew, what? Happening for the last 2 days. That's all right. Then maybe we'll recover as soon as that internet gets fixed. We might hit 39 before we bounce. We'll see. We'll see. Again, we still have this bullish divergence. I'm still tracking it. Waiting for it to see if it's gonna pop. Right. We also had it on the 1 minute chart. Remember, here we might actually be losing it. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. We still have it. Yay! Awesome. Let's go to 1 minute. All right. 1 minute chart. Bullish divergence. Oh, it's going for the rally. Gonna go for that 20 moving average. That will be the primary target that we're looking at. That's a 41,272. If we manage to get above that, then yes, we could start looking for a recovery. But look at even the 1 minute chart is horrible. Look at this. We've been below the 1 minute since way back here at 8:31 p.m. and we've been unable to hold above the 20. All right, so it's a resistance right now. We need to get above that area. It's a beautiful green bar. Yes, it makes you feel better. Right? Again, go for that 20. Get above it, and then we could be looking for recovery. Otherwise, we're going to be in pain, right? We're going to be in pain here in crypto. Navigator says, hash rate doesn't affect price like this. Yeah, but it's probably the news that are getting people panicked, right? A lot of buy orders might be trigger at 39. Yeah, last liquidity at 39,600. Yeah. There are areas, we have supports at those areas, right? So it wouldn't be weird if we... Oh, you think Chainlink's price should be a lot higher than 25 to 50? Not sure, man. I haven't really been keeping up with Link a lot, so maybe it's not a fair value price for it. Not sure. Anyways, this bullish divergence that we have here is also here against the other side. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. All day music family. You're all day from Australia? I'm not sure. We have an all day in the house. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Not sure if you're from Australia, but if you're from down under, hi. No, we still have not gotten to target. Let's get Bitcoin to that 20 moving average. Oh, there we go. 20 moving average being hit. Awesome, and we're rejecting it. Oh no, the pain. No, I'm kidding. We still can get above it. So we still try to get another couple hits at it and try to break it and weaken it and get above that 20, and then see if we can go for a rally from there, right? Do I pay attention to order books? Yes, when I'm trading actively. Right now, I'm not trading actively. I'm just looking at this. So I'm not going to be looking at the order books. For that, I would need to be signed on to the exchange, and right now I'm also not signed on to the exchange. I'm not gonna go sign on when I'm live. So, but yeah, I do look at the order books. Yeah, so many people watching. Thank you for being here. Yes, again. If you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Enjoy the content. Join our community. We are in, Discord. We have an active community there. A lot of people go there. We chat with everyone. I mean, you can ask me things. I try to be as active as I can, but I'll be there talking to you guys. If you join us there, James came in and joined. Awesome. Let's manually verify people because they're not verifying. So I'm not sure if the bot's having problems or something. But thank you very much for joining us there, James, on the Discord. And if you haven't done it, make sure you hit that like, guys. I mean, it's the only thing that gets lets the YouTube algorithm know that you're liking the content. So smash likes for the YouTube algorithm, and then we're doing okay. If you enjoy the content, again, if you don't enjoy the content, also hit the like. I think about the 4-hour stocks. I am not looking at stochastics right now. Basketballs. We're looking. We'll also dump, right? Then it's gonna depend on how much volume we have trading. But if it's weak volume trading, we might get a slight action to the upside. Not too much, right? So slight on the weekend, maybe. We've seen it happen sometimes, so we'll see. Maybe sideways. Right? The weekends might not be as strong. But what I'm worried about is that we get a pump with no volume, and then come Monday we get another drop. Yeah, I don't use stochastics that much. I just use regular RSI. And again, it's just some preference, right? For me, this one I enjoy. It works good for me. Yeah. What are my targets for this dump? Oh man, we're hitting one. We're trying to see if it's gonna hold support. Right, it's holding. It's waking back up. Like I said, it could after hitting it. So yes, so far it's okay. I'm just hoping it closes back in this area. Next target to downside 39,291, and then 37,393, and then below there I would ignore the 36,000. That's probably like week one, and then we're looking at 35, and then below there 34. And they become a little bit tighter then. But again, percentage wise they're about the same spread. But looks like a wedge, salad. Yeah, is it looking like a wedge? We don't have a lot of anchoring points, right? But we could try to see if we can make a wedge out of this. All right, primary target here, and then coming down here, and then we're gonna say, yo, look at that, there's a wedge coming here. Here we go. Not the prettiest, but yeah, it could be. We could say it looks like a wedge. We're looking for action to the upside. Below 40Ks means we are in bear. No, we're below 200 moving average. We're in bear, and we are below 200 moving average. So I believe we're tempting that bearish territory. We are tempting the bearish terror. Yeah. Go back to this chart here and go back onto the 1 hour. Just I want to see where we're at. Dang it, man! I might be off by quite a bit on the target. You asked me what target it was going to close the hour, and I said maybe in the small range. I was really hoping that we're going to get a slight sideways candle or indecision, but it looks like we still want to go for that divergence, right? I said, guys, we drop here, we still have divergence. 4 hour, we're dropping, we still have divergence. Yeah, look at that, 4 hour divergence, 1 hour divergence. We just need to wait for it to do something. Otherwise, I mean, we're going to get so wrecked. Divergence has to perform. It has to hold. If we don't lose this in the 4 hour, we still have it on the 1 hour, we might be in trouble still. But divergence is there, so we should be looking for a movement up. Yeah, dude, if you're worried about trading, set up alerts, set up stop losses. Elon says this year's all about the bling bling gold. See you next year, Bitcoin. I'm not sure. Maybe we see Bitcoin next year. We'll see. Thank you guys for being here again. Thank you for joining me for this awesome stream. We're here overnight, 9 p.m. Central, right? We're here overnight at 9 p.m. Central. You can always come join me. I stream for as long as it goes, which means if there's a lot of people, I stay longer. If there's little people, I stay for about an hour, maybe sometimes even less, depending on how much action there is and how many requests you guys are coming in with. Otherwise, I mean, we do try to keep it as fair as we can and not keep you entertained. Not keep you entertained, not keep you here more than you should be, right? So we just try to keep you entertained until that is happening. And then when there's nothing else to look at or there's no requests coming in or anything like that, we should just wrap it up and call it quits. But if you enjoy the content, again, consider subscribing to the channel, consider liking, consider hitting the bell, and joining us on this. Anyways, oh, the dog's so far asleep, dude. So yeah, can check out Luna and FTM. Yeah, check out Luna and FTM. You know what kind of sucks? HNT was doing so good. Now it's like hurting 9%. It kind of sucks. On the daily, it was recovering so nice yesterday, hitting like the $40 mark, bro. Just having Bitcoin, man, coming in and wrecking the market for everyone. Congrats, Bitcoin. Thank you for ruining it for everyone. Let's go to Luna. Oh, let's check it quick, though. Luna down 10%. Oh, no. All right, so we're going, we were looking at some bullish divergence yesterday. We kind of recovered on that, right? Hidden bullish. We still have it here. We still have it here, but, you know, really waiting for it to do something. And we come to support, right? 68,000. Also trying to get above that 786. So not bad moves here on Luna. 4-hour chart again. Market dropping is certainly hurting it. Short-term moves, bullish divergence strong. Even though we had it here, we're also grading it here, right, on the short term. So again, that could tell us that there could be a possibility for action to get back to the upside, right? So yeah, not bad. We also have it here against the RSI. Look at that. Boom, boom, blam. Oversold at 28.3. So again, strong bullish divergence while being oversold. Usually a catalyst for action to the upside. So we'll see if Bitcoin allows, right? Everything right now is Bitcoin dependent, unfortunately. So even here, look, bullish divergence strong on the 1 hour. Should be looking for action to the upside here, right? Even here, right? We're going to anchor from the highs. I think we're into mile. There we go. And here as well. Look at that. Boom. We're sold at 25.05. Again, strong bullish. We're looking for action to the upside. We'll see how it goes, right? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at Matic. We can look at it real quick. I think it's here. Matic. Matic at $2.10. Oh no, where is it at? Yeah, it's looking okay. It's dropping around 6%. So just like Ethereum, again, coming up higher, going down lower on that MACD. So we're creating that hidden divergence. So less negative momentum, or more negative momentum, sorry. And again, look at this, right? Or no, I wanted to say that right. Sold. 42.52, right? Again. Hidden bullish, potential correction sideways. Maybe you recover that previous 100% high that we have here, and then we're gonna need to get new fibs out for this. So let's go back to the here, and here we're looking at something. For some reason, I have this line. Oh, we were looking at a 3 rising valley. So 1, 2, 3. We kind of lost it. So we no longer have this here pattern also. So this is gone. And this is gone. Again, we're watching out for it, right? So we're starting to drop low, lower, negative, less negative. Again, strong bullish divergence in the 4. So we should be looking for a rally. It's just something that we've seen across the market, right? Again. A lot of strong bullish divergence starting to develop. That's why I'm kind of hoping that we get some kind of break and we start recovering. So we'll see here. Coming down lower here. So right now, sitting sold at 34.99. With that, we should be looking back to get back down to that neutral zone. So maybe action to the upside. Maybe go for that 20. We dropped, but we felt it close lower than the previous low. So we could be getting continuation of this bullishness and really push for that 20 average. That would be a good move here on Matic on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour Matic. We're pushing higher, someone said. We'll see, we'll see. I like this track. These tracks are good. These tracks be good, man. I'm still here. I know. Weird, huh? You are like Matic doesn't want to go to the 1 hour. I'm not sure why. TradingView is kind of like freaking out with some stuff. So I'm not able to do Matic on the 1 hour, but you know. Let's go back to the corn and see how it's doing, man. It is pushing back up. Are we in my square? Are we in my square area that I've called for? Almost there. Hey, yeah, not bad. Slacky, I might be on target almost. Have 11 minutes to go. Get close to my, you know, target. Move that I said, right? We might drop to that area. It looks too close, but if we drop to that 40K, we're going to get pullback. It looks like what I told you guys earlier. It's happening. So yeah. Ledger family pack. Come on, Corn. You can do it. Get above that. Into that target. Yay. We'll see, man. We'll see. I'm curious. I'm intrigued. I want to see Bitcoin at that level, right? Watch us flag here. Yeah, we could flag. It just depends on how we flag. How we flag is going to be key. Andrew apparently is doing good. A lot of covered, right? Again, a lot of bullish divergence in the market. Ethereum is no longer losing higher percentage points. It's recovering a bit after waking 3,159. It's cool. We are watching history. I'm kidding. It's not history. I'm on target now. Oh, I will drop below target. Jen, what's up? What's a good entry for Algo engine? Ooh, that's gonna be good. Upped up a bit. I know. I'm waiting. Thank you for being here, Jen. Much appreciated. She said Algo, so let's go check out Algo. Algo reigned. Here we go. At $1.43. Oh. What's a good entry target? All right. So if we do come down to this area, right, to that 618, I would tell you that this could be a good entry as we might try to attempt a rally on the fact that we're going to be creating some hidden bullish divergence, right? That'll be one entry level. The other entry level is going to be breaking this area here. Try to get set up an entry in case we do run this area, but set up a tight stop loss in case we do come back down, break, and then come back down to retest that lower portion, right? So that's two entries you could be watching out for. Depends on what your plan is or your strategy, right? So again, Jen, those could be good entry levels. We're gonna also check on the shorter time scales and see what we have there. But again, here, look, we're starting to create this strong bullish right now, and we also have it here. So again, it's starting to create because we haven't confirmed closing yet today, right? So you gotta watch out for that. We might negate it if we do pump and rally, and we're no longer gonna have it. But for now, we have it, so we gotta acknowledge it. For our chart, again, coming down lower, less of that negative momentum, right? So we're looking for something bullish here. And we do have this strong bullish divergence here on the 4 hour, right? And that's going to be indicating that we could be looking for a potential rally. Again, there's no other patterns coming into play. Like, oh, where's head and shoulders? Yeah, there's one on Bitcoin on the daily. We already talked about it, but, shorter time scales for this is what we're looking for, right? Why are we dropping? Why are we pumping? Where is the move is coming from, right? Again, here, hit strong bearish. Look at this, boom, blam. So here, strong bearish. Pressure on that price, getting us to move down. Now, strong bullish. We're going to try to pop maybe for that 20 moving average at $1.63. 1 hour chart. Look at this. Boom. Coming down lower as well. Even track it as far back as we want, right? But again, the move is there. We're coming down lower on the price and we're making less of that negative momentum. So with that, again, bullish, right? Potential for action to the upside, right? Again, we can see back the entire side. Strong bullish divergence. We're being oversold. This could be a potential good entry level to meet the 20. If we get above the 20, then we could be looking a lot better. But it could be a quick run to that 20 and then sell there in case we do drop again, set up a tight stop loss again. Right now it's dropping 8%. So recovering this is not going to be a bad move, right? We're talking about maybe a 6% gains. It's not bad if you play this for a short move, right? Again, we're on target. Yay! Bitcoin's right on target. It's trying to drop our target. No. Bitcoin 7 minutes and 44 seconds to go till we close this out. Scott Jeff, what's up, dude? Thank you very much for being here. Yeah, it's closed, Andrew, right? Seven minutes. I'm intrigued. I want to see if we close within the target. Ah, man. It's a good day, guys. A good day. It's a good day. Although we're going down, we're creating good stuff. We're creating bullish divergence. We have to have hope that this is going to recover. If we're all just panicking, then yeah, we're going to probably get pain coming in. But look, it's not looking too bad right now. We're recovering a big wick after hitting a major support area. 40,997 is the last support that I have, at least, before we break into the 39,000. So it has to hold. Otherwise, man, there's going to be a lot of pain coming in. Hair chain auction when the market recovers. Yeah. Ooh, nice, John. Interesting. I'm gonna write that one down. You said the Pontum Knox. All right. Rashid says he's up by 45% Ethereum. Good, that's awesome. Consolidate here for a bit. Yeah, it could, right? Again. You bet Luna back, got in at 300. Oh, nice. John says, K-san. Nice. Kusama. Young boy never so low again. Congrats, I guess, man. I mean, do I have a congratulations here? I don't. Yeah. Abdul, thank you very much for being here. Much appreciated. Thanks for the follow. So, whatever it is you're doing here, man. Much appreciated. Yeah, we're live on Twitch, Twitter. When will hit bottom? Do you feel this might be like 20? Yeah, I already plotted that one. And Thief says, you think Chainlink's price? I already talked about those two. Making sure I wasn't missing anything here from Twitch. ADA basically holding at $1.20 like a stable coin again. Ooh, burn for the ADA followers. Steve's a ADA evangelist. I'm not sure if he's still an ADA evangelist, but he used to be heavily into ADA. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. It has to hold. It has to hold. I don't like where it's at. I would rather have this be a slightly green candle, but we still have that bullish divergence, right? So good. Good for us. Oh, cool shirt, by the way. Thanks, man. It's actually a Batman shirt. I'm not sure you're going to be able to see it. Oh, here we go, Batman. Yeah. Good. Thanks, man. Steve says, I'm loading up again at $1.20, man. Yeah, it's a pretty good area. That's a pretty good area, right? Not bad, man. Good market motion. Right? Again, it's healthy, right? To get this cycle, this downwards motion. They're good. That's what makes the market interesting. That's what makes the market something we can target and try to look forward to, right? To try to get into. So, yeah, I'm okay. Guys, 3 minutes and 46 seconds, dude. I'm intrigued. Let's go to the 1 minute. This has to be interesting. We gotta look at this like the racehorses. Like the races, I guess. All right, look at this. Oh, yeah, we dip here a little bit, but we're recovering this area. We're doing good. We're so close to be on target. We need to hold on to that 20. Bounce on it, man. Bounce on that 20. On the 1 minute, and then get back into this area. Otherwise, I'm gonna be so off. Breaking below at 20 gets us to come down to here again. So I don't want to see that. There was bullish divergence. I already talked about that, right? It wasn't here on this chart. We said, oh, bullish, and then we started to go on the rally on the 1 minute when you guys asked me to, right? We called this one before we started this green line, and so we're gonna go to the 20, and we got into the 20, and then I say, well, we're gonna above it. We're gonna be good. Yeah, we're good. Awesome. Guess what? TA works in the 1 minute. Let's get rid of this because it just clutters my charts. Well, we are on the 1 minute and closing in on 3 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes and change. Man. Tomorrow with a drink. Yes, tomorrow with a drink, hopefully. And we can be basking on some glorious green candles. Hopefully. It looks like it's gonna take a lot for us to get back there, but Bitcoin needs to get close to that target area. Which is our show. We're 4% today. Top cryptos held by institutional investors are Luna, Solana, and Near. Ooh, that is good. Luna, Solana, and Near. What? Are you sure? That's pretty good, man. I need to get that Near wallet. 5 minute looks good. Marsh, we do this for free. I know, we're gonna be doing this with a Devlagio, man. If I called what perfectly, that close? I might be off by a little bit, man. I'm close enough to target range. You can sub if you want. You cannot sub if you want. That's fine. You can check CSPR. Still looks more. Give me a second, Remington, dude. Might not be able to do it today. I will be able to do it tomorrow, though. I've already been live for about 2 hours. I just stayed here to look at this closing because I'm very close to close where I need to. The chosen Juan Lee? I'm not sure. One up, dude. Thank you very much for following here, man. Much appreciated. All right, this is the last minute candle on this 1 hour. All right, it's so close. I'm gonna be like fractions off target. Oh, we're back in. Ha! I said we are gonna go and probably hit that area that we had as support. We did, right? We did. And now we are where we wanted to be. 15 seconds, 14. I'm going to be on target for the 1 hour. Again, it was a joke. Someone asked me to do a prediction. I hate predictions, but I said where the prize was going to be. And that's pretty good. I also said that if we were to drop mid this target, probably pull it back up and then move up into this area. And we did. Yeah, there we go. We closed it. Yo, we did it.
Dude.
That's because I'm so freaking good at this. I just don't like show it off. Who was it that asked me, dude? Slacky. If you're still here, man, we did it. Oh, you got target, right? You asked me for a target. I gave you a range. We got the range. We closed and the range, right? So yeah, awesome. We're good. Thanks, Andrew. Appreciate it, man.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Legendary.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Legendary.
Thanks, man. Much appreciated. Not sure if our friend Slacky is still here, but if you are Slacky, you got your target, man. There we go. I don't do predictions, man. I hate doing predictions. I'm trying to see if we're gonna hold to 40,000, and that's what I'm thinking we might try to hold. And like I said, if we drop that area, we're looking for 39. We're looking for 37. Right? I'm not gonna give you predictions. That's it. I hate predictions because this is the dumbest thing ever. You're setting up yourself to fail, maybe, most of the time. It's just weird. A lot of people like predictions. I don't. I like to give targets, areas that we could try to reach, and also tell you what the downsides are, right? The upsides and the downsides. That way you're ready for the moves. If you have someone just comes in and tells you, oh, we're going to go to like 2 million. Help, when? Like by the year 2100, you know? Yeah, it's just a lot of people come up with the wildest predictions just to get viewership. I don't do that, so we keep it straight. And it's something that if you follow this channel, you're gonna notice, right? Have I seen the Matrix 4? No, I haven't. So where's that guy? Slacky, we lost you, but thank you very much for being here, man. Thank you guys for being here. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Again, thank you for watching. If you're getting the content, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Join us on Discord. Links have gone out. Again, talk about crypto to your friends, your family, your co-workers. Let them know that we are here. Remember, all the information that we provide here is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas, all for entertainment and educational purpose only. With all that said, I am gonna be signing off for tonight, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It was fun tonight. I had a blast. So I hope you also enjoy the show. Yeah, I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Some Crypto. Until then.